Hello out there, my name is Milesy and welcome to my channel. I have been sent another box, this one by Victoria's Moon, a diamond painting website, and they asked if they could send me something and put it on my channel. One thing that I do want to mention right away, I'm not sure how important this is, but it was odd enough that I noticed it pretty quickly. The website is a co.uk address, but this package did ship from California, so that might be something to consider there. It does say that it uses DMC standard colors, and I did specifically request square drills. So let's go ahead and pop it open and see what we have. I've already cut the tape open just because that does make it a little bit easier. And this one is quite a bit bigger than the last one I was sent. The last one didn't have DMC colors. Dropped my phone case. It had a bunch of other stuff. But let's take a look at everything that comes in it, and then I'll show you the designs. So first, this would be why it's so heavy. This is all of the drills that came with it. How do I get in here? There we go. So I'm not gonna pour them all out, but this is very loud. Let's put you over here and stop making noise, shall we? There we go. But I like these ones. They came in nice little zipper bags, and it tells you how much of each. So this is $3.17. It says that it's number 6, number 8, number 3, number 2, number 1. So it looks like they're all numbered. And I've got 7.1 grams of 317, 3.6 grams of 223, and I have quite a few colors. I don't know how many colors are on this particular kit that I got. Quite a bit though, just from the looks of it, so this should be interesting. I've also got, ooh, this one comes with a few more things than I've got previously. So this is the pen. This one's actually really big. Look at that. That's enormous. That can fit way more than the 2 or 3 than the last one I got did. And then we've got the little bead boat and the wax squares, 2 wax squares, little bead boat, and what appears to be, I assume this is double-sided tape to put your bead boat down so it doesn't fly everywhere. We've seen me do that on live streams a few times. And I have finally got some dedicated tweezers. I got some tweezers similar to this with my perler set, but they're very sharp. They're over here somewhere. I don't know where they've gone. So these ones won't frickin' stab me every time I try to use them, so that'll be nice. I've also got this. Let me see if I can get in here. How do I get in? Like that. So, I've got this thing, which comes in a fancy case. And that's very pretty. This thing unscrews for no real reason. It just looks like it's kind of there for, I don't know. But this looks like the sort of thing, ooh, a bit of that came off. That's interesting. And this part is hollow. It doesn't seem to do anything. I'm going to have to look up to see what this is. That's odd. It's very sparkly and pretty. I've never got something like this in the past, and the fact that this feels like the same kind of wax, or I've heard people call it glue, as the little pink squares, that's a little concerning. So I need to look this up. I don't want to put that on the felt, so that can go back in there. And I believe that's all of the accessories that came with this. Nope, something else just fell. I heard it. Well, whatever that was, it fell, it made a noise, and I don't know what it was. So I guess I will have to find that later. Interesting. But let's take a look. Oh, I can't even show you the design because the covering on it is opaque. Okay. So that is interesting, but here we can see just how big it is. This is huge, and I know I'm very muffled right now because I'm hiding behind this enormous canvas. And I can kind of see a little bit of the design through it, and it looks like it's going to be very nicely detailed from what I can see. It's very hard to see through it though. I was kind of hoping that it would be transparent like the other one was I got, but this is enormous. This is about 4 times the size of the last one I got. I will put the picture up here so that you guys can see what the design is. Unfortunately though, we can't see how detailed it is on the canvas, but that's fine because as soon as this video goes live, I'm going to be doing a live stream where we start to work on this thing and take a look at it and just see what all is going on. But I'm gonna find what fell out, and if I can find that, I'll be right back and put that on the camera. Okay, so I think what it might have been, I don't think anything did fall out. I think it hit my beads on the side of my table because that's pretty much what that sounded like. So I'm guessing that's what it was because I didn't see anything else in there, so that was weird. But I'm gonna take a look and see what the heck this thing is. It's bound to have an answer somewhere. It looks like a really weird mechanical pencil, but it doesn't appear to be one. I'm guessing it has something to do with putting these things where they belong. It seems the hollow end here, let's see if I can get that to see it. Not at all, but it's got this weird hollow end that not even this camera wants to focus on. That's fine. That looks like it's just a more fiddly version of this. Like it seems like a really nice version of this. So I'm gonna take a look. I have a feeling I know what this is, but just in case, I'll do some research, figure out what that is. And right after this video, go check out the live stream where we will be working on this. But if you liked this video, please go ahead and give it a like and a share because that really helps me out. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Hey guys, just a quick little addendum. They have sent me a code that you can use to get a discount on your purchase on their website, so I'm going to go ahead and put that down in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. They do have a huge library. I spent about 20 minutes trying to find the design that I finally went with, but go ahead and check that out, and you get a discount on your purchase with that code. I just wanted to mention that. I didn't get that in an email until after I finished the last part, but I will see you guys in the live stream right now. Bye. Ugh. 76 grams of black.